everyone, I am the Blinging Bluebird.
Megan Anderson founded the Blinging Bluebird in 2021 after losing her grandmother. In the middle of grief, she found comfort in something unexpected. Her grandma's old jewelry box, full of sparkly little treasures. Wanting to keep her memory alive, Megan started creating artwork using her grandma's jewelry. And what began as a healing project quickly turned into a full-blown passion. She felt like her grandma was guiding her every step of the way. Megan is a small-town girl from southeast Saskatchewan, Canada. She's always been creative, but this discovery lit a whole new fire. She fell headfirst into the world of rhinestones and bling and never looked back. Fast forward to today, the Blinging Bluebird is now one of the largest rhinestone distributors in Canada. What started in Megan's basement is now a full-scale operation with thousands of high-quality rhinestones, custom bling patterns, beginner-friendly kits, and all the sparkly tools and accessories you could dream of. There's even a full line of Bling Mixes, hand-created in the Blinging Bluebird warehouse to help you make magic without overthinking it. But more than that, the Blinging Bluebird is a community, a place to learn, connect, and create something beautiful. If you're ready to bring some sparkle into your world, take a peek at everything waiting for you at theblingingbluebird.com, because life's too short not to shine a little brighter.